Well, how are we getting on? Welcome to Chengdu in China's Sichuan province, and it has rained non-stop since I got here. I got here yesterday around lunchtime. It is now 4:30 p.m. the following day. First time leaving the hostel today. I'm with Natalia.
Hi.
From Poland. So we're trying to find some food right now and maybe have a little walk around, see what Chengdu has to offer when the weather's like this. So as you can see, we've gone for some sushi place and it's really good. I've never really eaten sushi so much, but loving it. Natalia just brought me to this shop, 29 RMB for one of these cool hats. That's like €4. Incredible value. I'm looking forward to delving deep in here. So I wanted to find a bit more than I bargained for in there. I think I blend in quite well with the Chinese people now. I got my face mask. I bought a portable umbrella because it's very necessary. This one's just from the hostel. And we got our flippity floppities. And I also was charged for a bag even though I didn't want one, but sure, look, that's life. Natalia, the star of the show. It's good? I'm a bit disappointed they don't want a photo with me. So we are in this very nice little park here, and because it was raining everything looks a lot nicer because, you know, it's wet and the light is really beaming around. Very nice. I don't have my Sony a6500 with me, so I'm not going to get some really cool B-roll or anything, but you know, just enjoying it. So we've encountered a bit of a roadblock here. I think there's only one way to pass. It's slippy. I won the high jump in school. Okay, I'll try again. Take two. Very not comfortable with how slippy the ground is. I'm gonna try it though.
Maybe you give me the umbrella?
Yes!
Woo!
No photo.
So it's evident that this area is absolutely beautiful at night time. It's just all the lights. Oh shit, I just fell down steps. Anyway, all the lights, lovely little reflections happening in the ponds and the ponds and rivers or whatever flowing through the place. Gorgeous. If you want to get your ears cleaned on the side of the road in the park, you can.
Right on.
Okay, so following day, we're looking at about 7:15 AM right now, up since 6:50. A little bit tired, but I got this coffee drink. I'm off to see some pandas. I'm meeting up with Matt, a guy I met in Xi'an, so I'm meeting him at a train station. He doesn't have a VPN, he doesn't have WeChat, so I can't actually communicate with him. Because if you didn't know, WhatsApp is banned here, Messenger is banned here, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all banned. So what you need is a virtual private network to access all of those websites, which most people have, but Matt's only here for 2 weeks, so he wasn't bothered getting one. So we've been communicating via email, and we're meeting up at a train station at 7:30, or a metro station at 7:30. I have to go one stop. I think I'm going to be slightly late, so I'm rushing. Everything's closed in the shopping centre. Where the hell is the entrance to the metro? See him down there. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. You're killing me, bro. I can touch him from here. I'm rubbing the panda. Can you feel the love? Great view here. What is worse than a Chinese tourist? A Chinese tourist with an umbrella. They don't care. They will take your head off to make sure they get that shot. An eye for an eye, no problem. So they all have their umbrellas out. They don't care.
Let us permit nature to have her way. She understands her business better than we do.
Going up to see the red panda now, a very endangered species of panda. There's only 5,000 of them in the world. So that's why I think places like this are necessary, albeit maybe slightly cruel. Cruel is the wrong word. They're doing a great job here by the looks of it. They have these killer ass facilities. The pandas have air conditioning. I mean, come on. What is he doing? Oh. Whoa, not a bother. Oh! Oh!
There's a panic.
Oh no! Jesus. Good save, good save, good skills. Jeez.
Yeah, there he goes.
Look at that for skill and strength. That's good skills there. The Chinese are hilarious. Look at this queue behind me. I'll wait till you see what they're queuing for. They're queuing just to peep through that little grid over there in the door and see a giant panda, which you can see further back towards the beginning through glass. It's taken us a while to get those selfies, but we did it.
We got there. Mission accomplished.
So we're just walking along a little lake here. It's called Swan Lake. It's quite nice. It's 10:30 now. We're done with the pandas. The amount of people starting to come in the last half an hour is crazy. It's really filling up. So Matt, fair play to you. He pulled me out of bed. I didn't want to come this early, but he made me do it, and I'm happy about it.
The baby is 1 week.
Ah, look at this, very small.
1 month.
1 month. Okay. Cute. Anyone for a pair of shoes? Just at the Tesla dealership here because we're thinking about maybe buying a Tesla for the one more day we're in Chengdu.
Just walk up and jump in your Tesla.
And also you can touch the brake and the door will close.
We just ate in this restaurant right here behind us and it was really good, and we were walking around for a while and there's two beside each other, this restaurant and that restaurant. And why do we choose this one? Because they have pictures out the front. I don't know why more Chinese restaurants don't put pictures out the front, because they're losing all their tourist business as a result of not putting them there because you can't read Chinese. So I think we're going to go back there later. It was very nice. I had beef noodles and Matt had dumplings. at our combo. That island right there, Stephen's Island, with a population of 50 people right there in the middle of, it's just in between Papua New Guinea and Australia. That's where this man has lived for 2 years. 50 people. Pretty cool. Okay guys, that's the end of the Chengdu video. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish the weather was better, but I had to work with what was there. Anyway, I'm off to Chongqing now. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment down below with your feedback, you know, constructive criticism, whatever. Hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell, and I'll see you real soon. Good luck.